Yeah, live now, sir.
Good morning. I'm Mohamed Rizwan, Manager of Business Incubation Center, MJ University. In this session, I'm going to brief about Smart India Hackathon and what is Hackathon in first. So I have a presentation. I'll go with my presentation first. Uh, can anyone confirm? Can you guys confirm the presentation is visible?
Yes, sir, it is.
So today we are going to see about how to participate in Smart India Hackathon. What does hackathon at first? So I hope many students are from the first year for today's video. So hackathon is a social event that brings developers together to improve or build a product. The word hackathon is from word hacker. Hacker is not a bad term which was made in between, but hacker, which means clever programmer or a small marathon to build a product. So from this, a hackathon is nothing but a program which will happen like a marathon in a short time to build a prototype or a product. What is Smart India Hackathon? It is a national wide invite to provide students with a platform to solve some real world problem statement and solution. So here people will post their problem statement and innovators, that is the students, have to give some solution to crack it and build a product. So this picture, this team is from our university. 20 has participated in the 2019 Smart India Hackathon, which has happened in Coimbatore. So far, Smart India Hackathon from 2017, 15 lakhs plus students have participated in it, with 8,127 institutions, with 365 organizations which supported the hackathon, where 6,535 ideas has been selected, with 2,145 plus problem statements has been uploaded in it. These are the themes right now in the Smart India Hackathon. So starting from smart automation, fitness and sport, heritage and culture, medtech, biotech, smart vehicle, followed by tourism, renewable energy, blockchain, smart education, disaster management. Students have to select their theme which they have to work on it, and they can apply for the hackathon. This is the process flow of the hackathon. Starting from right now, we are in the fourth stage, that is the college SPOC, that is single point of contact. If student was interested, they want to participate in this hackathon, they have to register themselves as a student and they have to reach the college SPOC. The SPOC of a college is that it is as Abdul Kalam Center. You have to report to us that you have an innovative product idea you want to participate in. So after that, team leader will have to present this idea, and then we will upload it to the Smart India portal, and then you have to apply attend the final hackathon. So what is the process? You have to first Google Smart India Hackathon. So the website is sah.gov.in. Once you went into the website, you have to go to the problem statement slide. I have taken a screenshot of the website and I have posted in the PowerPoint. So this year we have total 1 or 2 hardware ideas, problem statements, and 457 software problem statements. We have 2 categories in this hackathon. One is hardware and another is software. In hardware problem statement, you have to build a hardware. Whereas in the software problem statement, you have to submit your product with the help of a software or as a tool. So once you are getting into the problem statement, you have to select the theme. As I listed before, you have to select the theme, which theme you want to participate. Say, for example, if you want to select a biotech or biomedical, some themes, you have to select the themes and you have to select the categories, whether it is in hardware or software, and you can also select an organization. So this is the list of organization which is there in the hackathon. So say for example, the problem, we have to select the problem statement from this list. Say for example, the second problem statement is from the Ministry of Ayurveda. They have made a problem statement that we need a smartwatch, which with vital record and lifestyle recommendation with mobile application. So they have clearly mentioned they want to build a smartwatch with a vital record and some recommendation to the person who is using the smartwatch with a mobile application. So if you have an idea, if this problem statement is interesting to you, if you want to reply to this idea, you have to make an idea how the watch will be and how the watch will work. So you have to select things from this problem statement and you have to form a team. These are the list of FAQs frequently asked question which I would like to answer. As it is a YouTube session, I can't able to read out the question which from your side. So these are the few frequently asked questions, starting from who can participate in the Smart India Hackathon. Any student from a higher education institute may be allowed to nominate in this hackathon. The student can be from any department. It can be interdisciplinary. It can be multidisciplinary. The student has to form a team. What is the criteria of team? All the team members should be from the same college. They can be from interdisciplinary, they can be from different departments, but everyone has to be from the same college. And in a team, it is mandatory to have 6 students. The minimum and the maximum requirement is 6 students. From that, minimum 1 female member has to be present in this team. It is a mandatory criteria. I'll just repeat again. The team should have 6 members. Out of 6, 1 female member has to be mandatorily present in the team. So the third question is, if someone is from doing this PhD, yes, they can apply. They even people from management department, people from distance education can also apply. But the criteria is they should not be working in the same time. They should be a proper student, full-time student who is completely concentrating on this education. And the final question is, will this hackathon be organized digitally or physically? Right now, with this hackathon will be happen physically. You will be assigned a nodal center across the country. You have to travel to the nodal center, and the hackathon will happen 5 days. You will be supported with technology, materials you need, and the mentors. Mentors will help you to build the prototype, and you will be supported with technology also. So the up and down cost will be handled by the Smart India Hackathon organization. So everything will be completely free. So you have to travel to the nodal center and you have to build the prototype. The winning team will get 1 lakh rupees for one problem statement. So these are the key points which you have to remember. Right now from our institution, we have 148 registration, individual registration so far for the Smart India Hackathon 2022. We have planned for an internal hackathon, that is the first screening in 16th of March. From the first screening, we will select only 10 teams for the Smart India Hackathon 2022. And 5 teams will be put as waitlist apart from the 10 teams. And the last date for submission of Smart India Hackathon is 31st of March. But before 16th of March, we will have a internal hackathon, and we will finalize the 10 teams out of it. So please, you can take a screenshot of the contact. If you have any queries, you can reach or you can mail to the email ID or this contact number. So I would like to explain the procedure of how to select the problem statement using the website. Hope the screen is visible. Now you have to go to the Smart India Hackathon website. Google the search Smart India Hackathon in short. Click the Smart India Hackathon 2022. Sorry for that delayed in internet. So yes, this is the website where we have to go through. So you have to go and select the problem statement. You can look for the problem statement. Click problem statements. We have already opened few problem statement tab. So once you open the problem statement, this will be the page which you will view. So as I said, in this year we have 102 hardware problem statement and 457 software problem statement. So at first, themes, we can see there are different themes starting from agriculture, blockchain, clean energy, fitness and sport, heritage. If you want to concentrate on a theme, you can select the particular theme and you can look for. Right now, I'll go for all. From this category, we can see software and hardware edition. If you are choosing software, you have to build a software product, software model, and the team has to already know about the basics, how to build a software model, mobile application or web application. And there is an hardware, you can build a hardware prototype. Here in this organization, many department, many industries from India has posed their problem statement. Say for example, if it is Bajaj Finserv Health, Bajaj Finserv Health has posted a problem statement to be addressed. And if it is a defense research and development organization, that is DRDO, they have posted some problem statement which they are facing. So from this, you can choose the organization which you know if you want to directly address to. So once you are scrolling down, here we can see the first problem statement is from the organization Ministry of Ayurveda and Yoga. So they have made a problem statement that they want to build a portable decoction of that is a kashayam making machine. So the problem statement is they want to build a kashayam making machine. We can see that the category is hardware and the problem statement number is particular number, and this domain is comes under the theme is comes under medtech biotech health tech project. So if any team was interested, if they think they are capable to build a unique solution for this problem statement, they can choose the solution. You have to build the idea. Right now we can be just in an ideation stage. You have to come up with a solution, the idea of how to build a automated kashaya making machine or whatever you want to solution. Okay, if you have an idea, make a document of how the machine will work. Shortly we will send a team registration link along with the PowerPoint, and we will have a workshop to how to make an PowerPoint, how to make an idea, build an idea. This session will be parallelly carried out very shortly. We will tell out the date, and we will share you a Google form for team registration also shortly. So this is the list of problem statements. Say, if we are going through another problem statement, Coal India Limited, this organization has posted a problem statement that they want a prototype of a solar powered IoT device with the ability to connect to a smart network to be used in geotagging of physical assets created under CSR. So they want an independent solar powered IoT device which can connect to a smart network for geotagging. So this is a problem statement posted by Coal India. So each problem statement you choose, the winner will get 1 lakh of prize. It is a national level hackathon. I request students to please make use of this opportunity. So the deadline, the internal deadline is 14th of March. So make use of this opportunity. Thank you so much. We will shortly share the link for team registration. Thank you. Thanks, Yogesh, for the support.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.